legend tells the story of a Japanese shogun Ashikaga Yoshimasa who broke his favorite tea bowl and sent it to China for repairs. When he received it back, the bowl was held together by unsightly metal staples. Although he could still use it, the shogun was disappointed. Still hoping to restore his bowl to its former beauty, he asked a craftsman to find a more elegant solution. The craftsman wanted to try a new method, something that would add to the beauty of the bowl as well as repair it. So he repaired every crack in the bowl with a lacquer resin mixed with gold. When the tea bowl was returned to the shogun, there were streaks of gold running through it, and Yoshimasa thought how this method adding to its value and beauty. This method of repair became known as kintsugi. Kintsugi, which roughly translates to golden joinery, is the Japanese philosophy that the value of an object is not in its beauty, but in its imperfections, and that these imperfections are something to celebrate, not hide. Kintsugi has long represented prevalent philosophical ideas. Namely, the practice is related to the Zen philosophy of wabi-sabi, which calls for seeing beauty in the flawed or imperfect. Basically, you can change your perception to see beauty in broken or flawed things. But nowadays, in our society, everything is being reversed because of media and social media. They feed us an idea that we cannot accept ourselves until we become perfect. And most people, especially young generation, do not want to admit it. This philosophy inspired Dr. Brene Brown to write a book named The Gifts of Imperfection. You need to read this book because this will help you dive deeper into the world of Brene Brown. In this book, author Brene Brown tells us that how to embrace imperfection as a gift. At first, be authentic to yourself. Suppose you don't prefer to study at all, but you love painting. Your parents believe one who is good in studies can only become successful in life. So being a good painter is a kind of useless stuff. You want to be happy, you must stay the way you are. Secondly, perfection is an illusion. It can deceive you. According to you, a millionaire is a very rich person. But as per Mark Zuckerberg, a millionaire is a middle class person. So who is right? At the moment, the image that built by your mind, if you think of this image as your ideal life and that happens tomorrow, then perhaps from the day after tomorrow you will find something imperfect in that also. So it is clear that perfection is nothing but an illusion. Now you should ask yourself, why are you participating in the rat race of having a perfect life? Okay, then should we simply quit attempting to develop ourselves? No. We simply need to change our viewpoint towards improving. That means whatever I have in my life is good enough and I am happy with it, and I feel immense gratitude by improving myself to make it even better. It is not like that I am sad because how little I have in my life, and for that reason I am trying to change it into a perfect one, as that will lead you into the rat race. Finally, if you want to read that book, then click on the link given below in the description, or you can donate me and click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.